Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We have a white oak on this. 8 feet 6 inches, not quite 9 what we're looking for, but it will work. 16 inches. 13 inches, and I have it on a 1-inch shim in the front to help center up the centers. So we're gonna again turn these into 4x4s. I have my son Garrett swamping today, or maybe I'll swamp, who knows? He knows how to run it too. So this should go quick. We're in between rain cells right now. We have a few minutes. We need about 22 to 26 of these, and I think we have 10, 14 of them right now. So what did I say this front was? 13. We can get a 9-inch cant. Boy, I don't think I can stretch it though to 3.5, 7. I don't think I can stretch it to 10.5-inch cant, but we'll try. If we can get 9 out of this, this would be awesome instead of 4. Big difference. So we're gonna get this started. Sit back, enjoy the show. You all set, G?
I am, are you?
I'm ready. The scraper. All right, so we're gonna cut it, flip it, cut it again, stand it up. So we'll cut it, flip it all the way over so the flat's on the bottom. We'll cut that slab off, then we will stand it up, start cutting them off.
Sounds good.
This is your cleaner, your scraper. Flip that thing over. That's the only problem about milling in the rain and wetness.
Yeah.
However, it looks good. Well, that had to do it, guys. We ended up getting, how many did you get?
6.
6? Oh, yeah, 6 4x4s. So we have 10 in that pile from today, along with those 10. That puts us right at 20 4x4s, and we need 20 to 25. So we're going to, we'll come out tomorrow, maybe mill another log.
Yeah, get another round going.
So everything went good. No blade breakage again, so we're happy about that. So when are you going to put this fence in?
Hopefully in August it's my deadline.
Is that your deadline?
That's what Kayla told me.
All right, so we're going to work on that soon. So we have the dog-eared fences made, the panels in 8-foot sections. We just have to get the posts made and get them in the ground and tack them up. So we're getting there. But all right, guys, take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, and we'll see you at the mill next time.